Good morning, students. We are resuming our chapter from page number 9. Major physiographic divisions. The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic divisions. First, Himalayan mountains. Second, Northern plains. Third, peninsular plateau. Fourth, the Indian deserts. Fifth, the coastal plains. And sixth, the islands. Here we'll come to know about the different types of physical features of India according to the number. The Himalayan mountains. The Himalayas, geologically young and structurally full mountains, stretch over the northern borders of India. These mountains ranges run in west-east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra. The Himalayas present in loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barriers of the world. They form an arc which covers a distance about 2400 km, with width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. The altitudinal variations are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges in the longitudinal extent. A number of valleys lie between these ranges. The northernmost range is known as the Great or Inner Himalayas or the Himadri. It is the most continuous range consisting of the loftiest peak with an average height of 6,000 meters. It contains all prominent Himalayan peaks. Here you can see that the shape of the Himalayan mountains is of an arc shape and an Indus river is flowing nearby. The most important mountains of Himalaya, the Hindu Kush. The Indus River is the greatest river on the western side of the South Asian subcontinent. It is the one of the seven scarcest rivers of Hindus. It was the birthplace of the early Indus Valley civilization. The river is 2,880 kilometers long. It's Pakistan's longest river. The river has the total drainage area of 11,65,000 kilometers and it is the 25th largest river in the world in terms of annual flow. The Brahmaputra River is also called as Yarlung, the Sangpo in Tibet. This river flows in Arunachal Pradesh. It is the transboundary river which flows through China, India, and Bangladesh. It is the ninth largest river in the world and 15th longest river. Here we can see the major rivers of India and South Asia. Indus, Ganges, normally we call Ganges as Ganga, and third is Brahmaputra. Now we'll learn about the longitudinal division of Himalayas. Here we have divided India into five longitudinal divisions. First, Punjab Himalayas, which is between Indus and Satluj River. Second, Kumaon Himalaya, which is between Satluj and Kali River. Third, Nepal Himalayas, which is between Kali and Kosi River. Fourth, Sikkim Himalayas, which is between Kosi and Testa River. And last, Himalayas, Assam Himalayas, between Testa and Dehang River. Now students, we learn about the types of Himalayas, Trans-Himalayan ranges and important peaks. Students, on the left side of your screen, you can see these three arrows in white color. These are the types of Himalaya. First is Great Himalaya, second is Lesser Himalaya, and third is Outer Himalaya. In the center of your screen, you'll see Trans-Himalayan ranges. If you'll see near these arrows, you can see 1, 2, 3, and little bit in the downstream, you'll see 4 in white color. So these are the Trans-Himalayan ranges. These are Karakoram range, Ladakh range, Zanskar range, and Kailash range. Now if you move to the right, you'll see this dull yellow color. Important peaks of Himalaya. We have already learned that the shape of the Himalayan mountain is in arc shape. So if you start from the top to the bottom, you will see the triangles there. So these triangles are the important peaks of the Himalayas. First is Nanga Parbat, second is K2, third Mount Kailash, fourth Mount Everest, fifth Kanchenjunga, and sixth Namcha Barwa. The Himalaya three parallel ranges and its longitudinal extent. We are having three types of Himalayas here. First is Inner Himalayas, which is known as Himadri. Second is Middle Himalayas, which is called as Himachal. And third is Outer Himalayas, which is known as Shivalik Hill Range. Major physiographic divisions. The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic divisions. First, Himalayan mountains. Second, Northern plains. Third, peninsular plateau. Fourth, the Indian deserts. Fifth, the coastal plains. And sixth, the islands. The folds of Great Himalayas are asymmetrical in nature. The core of this part of Himalaya is composed of granite. It is perennially show bound and a number of glaciers descend from this range.